look at Timo's. When your tummy feels funny and you wiggle like this, go to the potty, don't wait or miss. Wiggle, 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 do you know what that means? It's potty times. Step, 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 here we go.
To the potty, nice and slow.
Sit on the potty, comfy and bright.
Try your best with all your might.
Wipe, 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 yes, that's right. Stay clean and fresh, oh so bright.
Flush it away. Bye-bye, poo. Great job, Timmy, yay for you.
Wash, wash, wash your hands.
Make them clean and bright.
Scrub a dub and rinse them well.
Now they're shining right.
You did it! You're a potty star!
Hip, hip, hooray.
You know who you are!
Like, share and subscribe for more videos.